Hi guys, good morning, and this is Grace again, and welcome back again to my channel. So it's another beautiful morning here in the jungle. So we're just finished eating our breakfast, and my husband right now he's asleep because he woke up early this morning, so he go back to sleep. So I'm just here in the terrace, and Virgil is there in the living room watching his show. And I hope you guys are doing good. I really do appreciate all of you for watching my videos and for supporting my small YouTube channel. So let's check out the weather this morning here in the jungle. So I'm gonna show you the weather this morning. As you can see that it's very clear. The sky is very clear. It's very bright. And look at this beautiful view here in our place. So it's Thursday morning here. And look at that. So later we're gonna go to the cemetery because it's also day today. And we're gonna visit our loved ones. We're gonna light some candles, and my family will gonna go with us too. So my grandma and my uncle, they gonna go first there in the cemetery this morning because we're not exact in our van. So only my cousins and my parents and my sisters will gonna go with us later there in the cemetery. As you can see that beautiful mountains there, it's so pretty, and it's really nice in here. Very clear, nice weather this morning. So it's another solar day for us. So my husband switched to full solar around 6 a.m. this morning. It's already 8:30 here. So last night it's been raining hard. As you can see that the ground is a little bit wet this morning. So one of my relative get some sand there in the creek because he gonna cement there. As you can see, he gonna put some cement on that pipe, on that metal pipe, because that metal pipe there, the always throw water on it because that's where my grandma my mama and my sister wash their dishes and wash their clothes. So they gonna cement it to protect the metal from rusting. And also we're gonna put some blocks here. So my relative will gonna make we're gonna make some blocks here, permanent blocks. Right now he's making some wood here to level it out, as you can see. So he gonna pour some cement here inside so that we have a permanent blocks that we can park here, and it's more safety, and it cannot be removable because it's cement. It's not like these blocks here that you can remove. So let's check our lemon here. So our lemon right now, it's been growing so nice, healthy. As you can see, it's still small. Then this one over here, this is the calamansi or lime tree. This is lime tree here. It's been growing now. And as you can see that the creek over there is been busy. The neighbors been washing their dishes, taking a bath, and do their laundry. And we have this nice pine tree here. It's gonna be tall, like the one at the back at our house. It's been getting taller. Look at it's really a beautiful mountain view there. And this dog over here, that dog, he normally stay here all the time in this side here on the gate. So maybe because he's waiting for the foods, the leftover foods, he been always guarding this gate here. He's always staying here. Then we don't maybe three dogs been staying on this gate here, and we really don't want them to stay closer to our house because Virgil sometimes when he walks here at the gate, he walks too fast, and I'm scared that he gonna step the dog while they are here, that stray dog. We are scared that he gonna step that dog, then that dog will gonna bite him. That's why we don't want them to stay here closer to the gate. So maybe we're gonna put some plants here so that they cannot stay here closer to the gate, for more safety of our son, for all of us. So my cousins are still here. They're gonna go home this coming Sunday because next week they're gonna go back to the school in November 6th. Then and also my sister, my youngest sister, she gonna go back to Cebu also next this coming Sunday because she gonna go back to work. She's working there in Lapu-Lapu City. So let's check here at the back. It's really nice that we can have free electricity. It's almost every day now that we can use free electricity. So as you can see here, that we have some vegetables here. We call this one alugbati. This is good for munggo soup or vegetable soup. This one here, we call this one alugbate. And we have this kalamungay tree, as you can see, so healthy. That's kalamungay tree. This is good for chicken soup and vegetable soup. It's really good for that. And we have this okra here. It's not bearing some, it's not ready yet. As you can see, still small and have more there. We call this one finger vegetables, okra. So this one is the green onions. My mama planted this one here. It looks healthy too. Second. And this one here is the morning glory. We call this one kangkong in Bisaya, or galay. Galay, I think it's galay. And we have more galay here. That's good for the soup also. So let's check out here the other side. So that's the one I told you, that our pine tree at the back, it's getting taller right now. It's almost taller than our house. It's very nice. One of my relative planted that long time ago. It's been, I think, 5 years or 6 years now, that pine tree there. So we have that eggplant on that side there. So let's check out here. That's my cousin Jade. Huh? So we have this flower or that plant there. So it's that flowers of that plant is very pretty because it's color white. So you can see that. There's my cousins here. Musayo ra tag-adto ma?
Din mo inikaw. Ikaw mo na kung giagaw.
Ako lang bro, pero dasok naman bro. Dasok naman.
Dahil init kay abukit
Kainit,
aron. It's okay.
Dasok naman naman ito.
They're cleaning the house.
Hindi na hapon mga alas 3.
Oh, basta.
Parihal gyapon gurong buha away, kainit gyapon.
Best 4 ana. 5 rin 4.
So maybe we're gonna go to cemetery around 3:30 this afternoon because right now it's very hot and it's a lot of people this morning too. So maybe we're leaving here around 3:30 in the afternoon. So it's really nice in here. Very nice this morning here. So I'm just do some short video this morning. I just want to show all of you our morning view here in the jungle and also the weather. So I'm gonna upload more videos later. When we go to the cemetery, I'm gonna show you Philippine way visiting in a cemetery. So I think it's my first time do some vlog there in the cemetery if ever I do later. So I'm gonna show you how we celebrate our All Souls Day. So yesterday is All Saints Day. We've been preparing some foods here for all the souls, for all our loved ones. We normally prepare some foods every November 1. So I just not able to do some videos yesterday because I've been so busy here in the house. So later I'm gonna do some videos when we are there at the cemetery, and I'm gonna show you the Philippine way visiting our loved ones there in cemetery. So thank you so much again for the time for watching my videos. Thank you so much guys for subscribing my YouTube channel. For my new subscribers out there, I really do appreciate all of you for subscribing my YouTube channel. Please bear with me and we can do it all guys, and I'm gonna try my best to upload more videos soon. So again, thank you so much again for the love and support and for watching my videos. So until my next video, so God bless us all guys. I love you all. So bye for now and God bless us all.